3DSMAX. Brought to you by Cantercat Chamrajpet, number 10, second floor, Sissi Road, Chamrajpet, Bangalore 18. Trainer information. This is me, Nakul Srinivas Murthy. I'm a project management specialist as well as drafting and modeling trainer. A brief introduction about me. I possess around 11 years of experience in providing project management services to the construction industry. I expertise in project management tools like Microsoft Projects and Primavera, and I've helped the construction industry to manage projects efficiently using these wonderful tools. Also, I expertise in training civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers in modeling and drafting software tools. I consider myself fortunate enough to have worked with real estate companies like Ozone Developers, Monthly Developers, and Soba Developers. In all these companies, I have worked for a span of 5 years and have tried to understand this perspective of the construction industry. Also, I consider working with Tatas and JLL as a feather in my cap as they follow core values of customer satisfaction and ethical standards. For obvious reasons, both possess high standards of project management, following it and training the workforce towards being project management specialists. It's a pleasure being part of these wonderful companies and learning from them. Contents of the presentation will talk about history and brief about the tool, purpose and uses of the tool, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, some designs made using the tool, and a list of companies using the tool, history and brief about 3DSMAX. 3DSMAX is a professional 3D computer graphics program for making 3D animations, models, games, and images. 3ds Max is developed and produced by Autodesk Media and Entertainment, which is a division of Autodesk. Development of 3ds Max started in the year 1988 by Gary Yost for Yost Group. He is a person behind development of 3ds Max. Gary Yost is an American filmmaker and a software designer who created Yost Group in 1988 to work on 3D animation platform in the name of 3D Studio. Autodesk purchased it after the second release of the platform and named it 3ds Max. Purposes and uses of 3ds Max. 3ds Max, with its excellent modeling capabilities, is widely used for architectural visualizations. 3ds Max is also used by video game developers and many TV commercial studios. 3ds Max is involved in development of Oscar-winning movie of 2012, which is Avatar. Advantages of 3ds Max. 3ds Max has a user-friendly interface for 3D modeling and complex animations. It consists of wide range of toolset. It has powerful animation tools. It can be preferred for organic modeling, unlike its peers, along with modeling inorganic shapes and architectural designs. Suppose Rendering plugins like V-Ray, which is used to develop realistic images along with lightings. It can interact with drafting tools like AutoCAD in the sense that if you want any model to be prepared from AutoCAD 2D drawing, you can just import your AutoCAD drawing onto 3ds Max and you can develop 3D models from that. Getting started with the tool. This is the default page you see in the tool. This is title bar. This is menu bar. This is main toolbar. This is the ribbon. This is scene explorer. Viewport layout, status bar, time slider, viewports, command panel, animation controls, viewport navigation. Along with that, we have Fleet Material Editor, Quad menu, and Render Frame window. Let us discuss regarding all these parts of 3ds Max in detail. Title bar, it consists of the name of the file along with the version of the tool being used. Menu bar contains majority of tools, commands and settings within the menus of menu bar. Main toolbar provides many of the most commonly used commands. The ribbon contains an array of tools for modeling, painting into the scene and adding people. Scene Explorer for viewing, sorting, filtering and selecting objects as well as for remaining or renaming, deleting, hiding and freezing the objects as well. Viewport layouts. This section is used for switching between many viewport configuration. Status bar. It displays prompts and status of information about your scene and the active bit command. Time slider. It lets you navigate along the timeline and jump to any animation frame in your scene. You can set position and rotation or scale keys by right clicking on the time slider. Viewports, it displays your scene from multiple angles and preview lighting, shadows, depth of field and other effects. Command panel gives you access to tools for creating and modifying geometry, adding lights, controlling animation, and so on. It consists of tools for adding complexity to the geometry. Animation controls. It lets you create animation and playback animation within viewports. Viewport navigation. This is use these buttons to navigate your scene within the active viewport. Slate Material Editor. It provides functions to create and edit materials and maps. Materials are assigned to the objects and create greater realism in a scene by using different maps. Quad menu. When you right click mouse button anywhere in an active viewport, a quad menu is displayed. Rendered frame window. It displays rendering of your scene and enables easy rendering. Other controls here lets you change rendering settings. Let us see some designs which are made using the tool. This is a interior design. You can see the effects of your shadows, sunlights, right? This is also an interior window. There are some reputed companies which use this tool. As I told you, this has wide range of applications and everyone are using it for improving their views, architectural views, or improving their productivity. Amazon uses it to promote their products using animations from 3DSMAX. Atkins uses it, which is a very big MNC, which who are the consultants with regards to interiors, structural designs, and so on. Gensler uses it. Dassault Systems uses it. Soba, one of the major developers, land developers in India, they use it. Homelane, one of the companies who develop interior interiors of a home, uses it. Rockstar Games, the people behind GTA Vice City, right? So they have used it in their gaming platform. That's it, guys. For more details on the course and further training in our institute and online, kindly get in touch with Cantercat Chamrajpet, number 10, Sirsi Road, Chamrajpet, Bangalore 560018. You can also WhatsApp us or call us at 944 810 2464. Thank you.